Hi, it's Dr. Robert Davis. I'm here with Janet, and Janet was kind enough to come on and explain her experience in the office with her neuropathy treatment program that she's gone through. So Janet was a patient of mine many years ago, just a regular chiropractic patient, and she started having symptoms of neuropathy a while back, and she's kind of been through the the ringer trying to come up with a solution. And once I started getting good with the results for my neuropathy patients, Janet heard about it, and I'm going to let her tell the story. So, Janet, if you can just give me your experience, like the symptoms that you were having when it started, this recent bout that you had, and your experience in the office. Like,
I had numbness in my feet, my toes, my hands, and my fingers. I would, drop things. And praise the Lord, it's starting to heal, and I'm getting my feeling back again. So I am so happy. He's done such a beautiful job, and I'm sure in this short time that it's going to be very successful, and I'm very happy.
so you feel your feet are healing much better.
Yes.
What
yes.
have you tried? What did you try in the past, as far as the medical treatment, like
I've tried
drugs and things like that?
acupuncture. I've tried the CBD oil. I've tried.
Prescriptions? Any prescriptions?
No, I would not take.
Okay.
No
gabapentin or?
No, I'm allergic to gabapentin.
Okay.
See, acupuncture. I just did everything. I can't think right now, but.
How many doctors have you been to specifically for the neuropathy, would you say, besides me?
Like about 3. Nobody knew what to do. I think they've come a long way with it now.
Mm-hmm.
But this treatment that you're giving me, and the vitamins,
Mm-hmm.
the herbs, the minerals,
Right.
that's been phenomenal.
Great.
It's I've lost weight.
Mm-hmm.
And
less inflammation, your body's not going to
yes,
hold those
because,
toxins in your fat cells. Yep.
Right, and
I'm
a diabetic, and it's matter of fact, my primary doctor says keep doing what you're doing.
Right.
Because
I'm happy for you.
yeah, I am too. I'm thrilled, Dr. Davis. I'm
Give me a
thrilled.
hug. I know you were through the ring already.
Oh
so.
yes, it's been just
so
wonderful.
This is a great story, and Jen, as you can see, Jen and I are very friendly. We've known each other for years, but she was suffering a lot, and I was doing everything possible that I knew at the time. And then we started really working and training on the neuropathy a while back, and Janet heard about it. She came in, and we were able to help her, and so we're really happy for her.
Very
Thank you.
happy.
Thank you.